Hi, Vice Prince! Welcome to How's Your Heart? At ngayon naman, we're talking about friendship na. At we're with Kat Hermosa! Hi, Kat! Kat Hermosa or Kathleen?
Kat na lang.
Kat na lang. Title natin
Hermosa Santos.
Ay, sorry. Hermosa Santos. Oh my gosh,
Hermosa
sorry.
Santos.
Hermosa Santos pala.
Ayan.
Nakalimutan ko na. Ay, naku, andyan pa naman yung asawa niya
Ang
nanonood.
bana ko. Nanunood.
So, let's talk about losing friends. Usually, losing friends at your 30s and up.
Yes.
Kasi parang, yun ang nangyayari, di ba? Nawawala yung mga kaibigan kapag nag-age na sa ganong age.
Oo, dumadating.
So, I have a question. Meron ka bang barkada or meron ka lang best friend? Or you have both?
Wala ako both.
Wala ka both. So, magandang tanong ko. Bakit na-betray ka na ba ng kaibigan?
Yes. Yes.
This happened anong age?
Bata pa.
Bata pa.
Bata pa.
How about ngayon?
Ngayon, meron ba?
Wala na, no?
Wala na.
Wala na. So, can you share kung paano nangyari yung na ano ka ng past mo sa friends?
Yeah. Oo, sige. Do you have time? Please give me a lot of time.
Or gusto mo ako muna mag-share?
Sige, pwede din.
Sige, share ko sa'yo. So, simula nung nag-30s ako, kasi ako friendly kasi ako, pero hindi ako friendly na hello, lahat friends ko. Pero kasi kakalipat ko ng school, nakatatlong school ako. So, every school, nagkaka-friend ako. Pero hindi lahat friends ko. Like, dalawa lang or isa lang yung friend ko doon. Ganyan. Tapos, pag mag-work naman, nag-commercial model, may friend ako sa commercial model. Nag-artista, may friend ako sa artista. Ganon. So, every stages ng ginagawa ko sa life ko, nagkaka-friend ako. Pero meron pa rin akong ibang friends na nagsistay, like nung commercial model, like 11 years ko na sila friend, tapos biglang nag-betray sa akin.
Oh, wow.
Ngayon,
That's really... Ang tagal na.
Yeah. So, dun ko na-realize na siguro, kasi syempre nag-iba na yung life ko, nag-iba na din sila. Baka, I don't know, pero iniisip ko din minsan, hindi naman ako ganong tao. Like, they betrayed me, but why can they do that to me na hindi ko naman kaya gawin yun sa kanila?
Hindi ko deserve, parang gano'n.
Tsaka hindi ko kaya gawin sa kanila yun. So, dun ko lang din na baka hindi ko talaga sila friends kasi hindi ko naman sila everyday kasama. Yung gano'n.
Kasama mo lang pag may happy times, ganyan.
And then, dun ko na-realize na, okay, baka friends come and go talaga. Yeah. So, ikaw, ano mo?
Later in life, I've believed in there's always friends for a reason, friends for a season, and friends for a lifetime. I've believed that. I started to believe that when I've met people also na for a season lang. And sila, tanggap nila yun na magiging friends kami for that moment lang and then things may change, ganyan. So, yun. So, my story naman is, we grew up, palipat-lipat kami ng school. So, first, I don't have permanent school friends. Kasi iba-iba. So, growing up, nasanay ako na not to cling to friends. But, there always that void in my heart na I want to belong. I want to be loved. I want to belong to a group of friends. Kasi nainggit ka eh. Yeah. Like growing up, may marami akong nagiging schoolmate na dami nilang friend. Barkada sila. Sarap, ang sarap. Sabi ko,
ang sarap tingnan sa mata.
Oo. Tapos yung bonding nila. Masarap naman, I'm sure, masarap to belong to a group of friends pala. Pero, always nga din, parang I wonder, kasi as I go along with life, as I journey life, ayan, naging busy na sa work, nag-aral ako ng college, tapos, you meet a lot of people. You meet a lot of people, but never once na binigyan ako ng group of friends.
Na parang barkada talaga
Barkada
na solid.
talaga na solid. Walang ganyan talaga.
Yung ako naman meron pero wala na. Exit na ako. Kaya wala Ganun talaga ang buhay.
So, when I reach mga in my mid-30s, ganyan, I realized na we meet a lot of people. Pagka nakamit ako ng tao, I make sure talaga na that person is also in line with something that I like in my life, I believe in my life, or like my hobbies. Kung kunyari, pareho kami.
May similarity.
Oo, may similarity kami. And then, I cultivate. Like, I try to invest on time dyan sa taong na yan. Kung kunyari, mahilig siyang kumanta, okay, madalas kami magkakaraoke, ganyan.
Pero nakatry ka na mabetray sa friends mo. Since parang yung sinasabi mo, wala ka masyadong friends. Pero, syempre, for sure, meron pa rin.
I tried to have a best friend.
Oo. Pero na-betray ka? Paano ka na-betray? Is it because about the boyfriend? Kasi nagka-boyfriend ka that time, so lalaki yung or may ginawa siya something na...
Pag sa mga boys, madami yan, yung betrayal sa mga boys. Pero hindi ko kinukonsider, hindi siya malaking impact sa akin.
Wait lang, hindi mo kinonsider na friend siya? Hindi. Or hindi mo kinonsider na binetray ka niya?
Hindi. Considered betrayal yun sa akin. Pero hindi siya malaking malaking heartbreak sa akin. Hindi ko siya, ex na siya sa life ko. Pero hindi siya hindi nag-iiwan ng sobrang lamat. Yes.
Gets.
Ang nag-iiwan ng sobrang lamat sa akin, yung betrayal sa friendship. Yung may relationship kayo, as friends, yung sinusundo mo, sabay kayong maligo, nagsuswimming kayo. Tapos bigla kang binetray sa ibang friends mo. Like, ibang acquaintances mo.
So like, binadmouth ka niya.
Badmouthing, yun. So, yun yung na-encounter ko growing up na talagang napaso ako. I started not, parang, alam mo yun, yung dati, nag-iiwan ako ng like little information about myself, and then I developed this attitude na bago mo pa malaman sa iba about myself, sinisiraan ko na yung sarili ko. Yung kapangitan ko, sinasabi ko na,
you're sharing it na, alam mo ba, ganito ako.
Oo, alam mo ba, may mga pinagawa ako, ganyan. Para hindi na nila, yung alam mo ba, sikat, ganyan.
Well, I totally agree with her because ganun siya sa akin. Inamin niya sa akin lahat.
Like,
kumbaga, wala siyang open book siya sa akin.
Ganon. So, I developed that attitude, but at the same time, during those times, going back, na-realize ko talaga na ang laki ng damage sa akin pagdating sa trust. If you break my trust, hindi na talaga siya na...
Sakit
The only way for that to mend, when I really choose to do so, which ngayon, yun yung natutunan ko. In this time and age, natutunan ko ang forgiving, it's a decision. Yeah. It's really a decision na you really have to forgive or else you'll be stuck there, bitter. Diba? So, yun. I choose to forgive, but I don't forget. I try to forget, but I don't talaga eh.
But you know what? I really like that attitude. Kasi for me don't forget kasi it might happen to you again. Walang reminder for you to do it. Kasi mamaya, nakalimutan ko kasi to. So, kinalimutan mo. Ayan, kasi kinalimutan mo na. Ulit tuloy sa'yo.
Yes.
Diba? So, I think it's okay na don't forget. Diba? Kasi kahit naalala mo, hindi naman ganun kasakit na Kasi napatawad mo na siya.
Right.
Parang memory na lang siya for you.
So, yun lang. Then to share also, parang for those who are going through something like this, na minsan you get so confused, you wanna belong, tapos you start feeling insecure, tapos you start questioning yourself, ano bang kulang sa akin, ano bang hindi ko nagawa, why this friendship didn't work, ganyan. It's really bound to happen. Second, normal lang, but in my situation, when I learned my image or my security, when I learned to depend it on God, and again, na I started feeling secure, Kasi natanggap ko na hindi naman porket maputi ka, marami kang friends, or hindi porket maganda ka, dami mong friends, hindi porket, you know what I mean?
I
Like,
agree.
hindi, that's not always the case. So, parang, nung natanggap ko yung sarili ko and na-secure ako sa love ni God, sa life ko, that's when I started talaga to really appreciate the people that comes in my life. And then, nung dumadating na, that's when it all started to, parang lalo lang dumadating sunod-sunod yung mga totoong tao na permanent sa buhay ko. When I started really to not try so hard and to be still, relax. Kasi dadating yan, ganon. So yun, basta lang, yun din isa pang natutunan ko, wag natin i-force ang relationship, ang friendship. Like, if hindi talaga, wala. Like, ako ngayon, to relate, I am in Cebu. I migrated in Cebu. Basically, I don't have family and friends there. Ang friends ko, friends ni Maiko. But, kung ako, titingnan ko yung sarili ko, from before, I would be shaking. Matataranta na ako, I don't have friends, I don't have someone to hang out with na same ko ng interest and all that. But right now, I feel I'm in my calmest self. Why? Kasi I always really ask na, Lord, ano bang direction ko? Please bring people in my life that really will help me grow and bloom and all that. Second, yung hindi ko talaga pinipilit na matanggap ako sa isang group or sa isang crowd kasi gusto ko din na we both would get to know each other. And they would get to love me as who I am. Hindi porket, mamahalin kita kasi asawa ka ni Maiko Kaya mamahalin na rin kita, hindi. Gusto ko mag-cultivate ng relationship talaga.
Yeah.
Yun.
I totally agree. Ako din kasi, baliktad naman tayo. Kasama, hindi naman baliktad. May additional lang. Kasi yung sa'yo, di ba, yung hindi ka nasasaktan kapag may Pero ako kasi syempre boyfriend ko yun. Time na yun, niloko mo pala ako, may gusto ka din pala sa boyfriend ko. So for me, it's like you're stepping, betrayal. Nasaktan ako dun. At for me yung sakit na yun, para siyang pala ko nakipag-break sa boyfriend. Ganun yung feeling ko. Mga 5 days ko iniyakan, ganyan.
Kasi masakit naman talaga.
Tapos inisip ko na lang, sabi ko, siguro nga, tama na siguro na maging friends kami kasi wala nang respect sa isa't isa yung ginawa niya sa akin.
To add to that, in my current situation now, and again, since I'm doing KK and Co, and really, in my heart and in my mind, to really do my best. To really, really do my best. But then, not to forget, saan kang mental state, saan kang physical state right now, spiritually, ganyan. So, sige lang, work hard in a new place.
Cebu.
Oo. So, there's also a struggle of getting to know who to work with. So, I always believe now na really, to get to where I should go, I really need a village. I really need a team. But right now, it's important na ang ka-team ko hustle the way I hustle. Wala po kasi akong arte Like, pwede ako mag-multitask. Same faith kami. Same ang mga pinapaniwalaan namin. Not entirely, but at least yung core value po ay the same. Then, yun nga, slowly I get to know people. God connects me to the right people. But gusto ko lang din sabihin na if you're in that situation and you feel alone, tapos don't rush. Kasi God's timing is perfect. Like, there's always the perfect time. Dadating yan because at the end of the day, before we really, really, really get to the dream that we want to, we need team talaga. Like, team talaga ang
you
kailangan.
Need help. You need helping hands.
Yes.
But of course, you matrust, no?
You matrust talaga.
And loyal.
Loyalty, ang important. Loyalty. Yun. Yeah. So, yan. I think, yun yung masasabi ko.
I think also na kapag ganyan na tayo, no, mature na tayo sa ating age, it's okay to lose friends because or we are already focusing na to have a family or to have our career na nandun na tayo sa focus. And if kung sinong sasama sa atin na kaibigan natin, thank you. Thank you for the support. But of course, wala na tayong magagawa kung ayaw na nila sa'yo kasi people change talaga eh, di ba? Sometimes people change for the better. Yung iba, worse. But, you know, it's actually, lalo na, parang tayo, nag-change tayo kasi gusto natin ng bago to be good. Yung parang gusto natin mag-level up na mag-learn more. But yung mga friends mo dati, kung ganun pa rin, same pa rin, hindi na kayo same ng thinking ng likes o ng wavelength. I think it's okay to lose friends talaga.
It's part of life. I've always believed na you did not lose friends. In fact, you gained the real friend.
Yeah.
Kasi parang hindi siya don't worry, don't feel bad. Kasi the people that would come in your life, yun talaga yung friends.
Yeah. And they will love you because before kasi I receive messages na ang busy mo. Di ba dapat maging happy ka kasi may work ako. Yung ganun. And you have to understand, di ba?
They would, I think para sa akin, ang tamang friendship would really applause, would really cheer for you, would be happy for your success.
Yeah.
And support ba?
Yeah.
And know the priorities. Pag yun yung ganong klaseng friend, you share the same goals, the same dreams, yun talaga yung masarap na kasamang maging... Di ba? Kakapihan.
Tsaka hindi na tayo bumabata. I mean, if you're working, tapos, ano ba yun? Wala ka ng oras sa akin, tara inom. Ganun. Parang, wait lang. I also have my priorities. Yun. For me, age din. It comes to maturity na rin siya, no?
I actually would like to also say na if you're young and you think this way, good for you. Good for you. Kasi hindi ka tulad like ako, I felt before na sabi ko, shucks, ang tagal ko naman mag-mature, Lord. Bakit ganito? But then, yun nga, wala dapat like don't put so much pressure. Enjoy your journey.
Because you're gonna meet more people, no? Yun. Thank you, Kat.
Thank you.
Thank you for guesting.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Can you share your business name and your TikTok?
Okay. Yes. Maki-collab with me. Yes. I have Instagram, Kat Hermosa. I have YouTube channel, official Kathleen Hermosa or Kathleen Hermosa. Hindi po kayo maliligaw kasi lagi po ako nakabangs doon. May TikTok account din ako. And what else? May Thread account, Facebook account. What else? Yun lang po.
Yes.
Thank
and
you.
your business.
Oh, KK. Yes. Yes, palagi na. KK and Co po. Please follow it. We have a Facebook page, KK and Co. Nagla-live sell po ako dyan. Marami po kayong interesting products that you would need eventually or you would be you're looking for it now. Baka po may mahanap kayo doon sa store namin. Thank you.
Thank you, Kat.
Thank you.
Bye, Miss Prince. Salamat kayo.